Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
आमचे पळय डबल ट्रॅकिंग आहले तितून सुप्रीम कोर्टान देखून वर्डिक्ट दिलो आहा इन फेवर ऑफ एनवायरमेंट, इन फेवर ऑफ गोवा. And we are hopeful that the Prime Minister will see the sincere efforts of the entire villages of Benauli who are working tirelessly to put the Western Bypass on stilts. It is with that one positive approach by the government and by the Ministry of Road Transport, we can see that hope that the Western Bypass will be successful and on stilts, protecting the environment and accomplishing sustainable development.
रिस्पॉन्स कसो आहा तुमचे सिग्नेचर कॅम्पेन?
You can see the response. लोक सांगतात बरें आहा तें करपा जाय आनी बरें आहा तें करपाक फाटीं रावपाचें पण they are walking up in front and taking signatures, giving their signatures. So in the next 2 days, we hope to complete the entire campaign, and then we will forward this entire petition along with the signatures to the Prime Minister of India, and we hope and pray that the Prime Minister looks into this and sees the sincere efforts by the people of Benauli, especially the children of Benauli who are fighting to save their village.